We are now at quarter 4, module 3 in Science 7. In this video lesson, we are going to explore atmosphere. Are you ready to learn? Let us begin. The atmosphere is the blanket or envelope of gases surrounding the Earth. The atmosphere that surrounds our planet is very important. It keeps us warm, gives us oxygen to breathe, and it is where weather happens. It also keeps the overall temperature of the Earth fairly steady, especially between night and day. The atmosphere is consists of several gases. The Earth atmosphere is made up of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and the remaining 1% are other gases. These include argon, carbon dioxide, methane, water vapor, ozone, inert gases, and others. The Earth atmosphere is made up of different layers moving upward from the ground level. These layers are named troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. The basis of scientists in dividing the atmosphere into different layers is the change of temperature with altitude. The lowest layer is known as the troposphere. It is the layer where we live. It makes approximately 75% of the total mass of the atmosphere and contains 99% of the atmosphere water. The temperature in this region decreases as altitude increases. The troposphere is the layer where wind, clouds, and water vapors are found. It is where weather phenomena takes place. The air in this layer is constantly moving. This is the reason why airplanes experience a bumpy ride known as turbulence. The next layer is the stratosphere. The flow of air in this layer is more stable than the flow of air in the troposphere. Hence, you can fly an aircraft smoothly in this layer. The temperature in this layer increases with altitude. The ozone layer is found in the stratosphere. The ozone layer is very important since it protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays coming from the sun. The mesosphere is the next layer of the atmosphere. The temperature in this layer decreases as the altitude increases. It is also the coldest layer of the atmosphere surrounding the Earth. The mesosphere burns up most meteors and asteroids before they reach the Earth's surface. Above the mesosphere is the layer called thermosphere. The thermosphere is comparatively closer to the sun and it absorbs a large amount of solar radiation. The temperature in this layer increases tremendously as the altitude increases. Hence, it is considered as the hottest layer of the atmosphere. Orbiting around this layer is the International Space Station. Space shuttles also fly in this area. The ionosphere, which is an iron-rich region, is found within the thermosphere. Aurora can be seen in the ionosphere. They are called aurora borealis in the northern hemisphere and aurora australis in the southern hemisphere. The last layer which merges into outer space is the exosphere. The temperature in this region varies from very hot to very cold. And those are the different layers of the atmosphere. Starting from the ground, we have troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere.